Welcome to your perfect vacation getaway. Located just 20 miles away from the thrilling Volcano Bay Water Park, our vacation pool home offers the ultimate relaxation and fun for your family. Step into paradise with your private pool area where you can soak up the Florida sun, take refreshing dips, and create lasting memories with your loved ones. Inside, you'll find spacious and comfortable living areas, fully equipped kitchens, cozy bedrooms, and all the amenities you need for a memorable stay. Gather in the living room for movie nights, enjoy delicious meals together in the dining area, or challenge each other to fun games in the game room. Retreat to your own private sanctuary in one of our beautifully appointed bedrooms where you can rest and recharge after a day of adventure. Explore the wonders of Orlando with attractions like Volcano Bay Water Park, Universal Studios, Walt Disney World, and more just a short drive away. In addition to the theme parks, you'll also find plenty of outdoor activities nearby, including hiking trails, golf courses, and nature reserves. After a day of excitement, unwind in your private pool or take a leisurely stroll around the neighborhood to soak in the tranquil surroundings. Experience the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure at our vacation pool home near Volcano Bay Water Park. Book your stay today and make memories that will last a lifetime. For booking inquiries and reservations, visit our website or contact us directly. We can't wait to welcome you to your home away from home in Orlando. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration and vacation ideas. See you soon at our vacation pool home near Volcano Bay Water Park.